Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and today we are making some shots. Fernet Branca Shots to be exact. Honestly, this recipe is so simple that I thought this video would be over in like 30 seconds, but I thought this drink deserves to be explored. So today's remedy is another hangover cure, and I still think that it's pretty silly that people in the past thought that drinking more alcohol would fix previously consumed alcohol. Like, what? If only they knew. But anyway, a little bit about Fernet Branca. It's basically an Italian herbal liqueur slash bitters. And in the past, it was a very powerful hangover remedy as well as a soothing digestif. Apparently, it was first introduced as a remedy for cholera. The recipe is super mysterious and mixed in a secret room, and apparently it is Argentina's national drink. I would not have learned about this popular liqueur if it wasn't for the fact that I had this channel. The taste of Fernet Branca is spicy, herbaceous, bitter, and sweet. So let's see what it tastes like when combined with ginger beer. So without further ado, let's craft some Fernet Branca shots. So these are the ingredients for today's remedy. You will need 1 ounce of Fernet Branca and a dash of ginger beer. So first, grab a shot glass. Add in 1 ounce of Fernet Branca and top off with some ginger beer. I understand this can be a bit difficult if you're hungover, but I believe in you. And ta-da! Fernet Branca shots are complete! Taste test time! Alright, so I'm not hungover, so I can't really test the effects of this remedy. But I did just have lunch, so maybe I'll use it as a digestif. So let's see how this tastes. Cheers! I thought it would taste better, but it doesn't. Do you guys know what ginseng tastes like? This basically tastes like a fizzy, slightly sweet ginseng juice. Very herbaceous. Tastes like Chinese medicine, if anything. I was really hoping to like this. Why is this Argentina's national drink? I mean, maybe it tastes better without ginger beer? I really thought the ginger beer would make this easier to drink, which is why I chose such a long shot glass, because I was hoping to top up with more ginger beer since it's sweet so that it would taste better. I don't think it helped. In fact, it feels like it almost enhances the bitterness of this drink for some reason. Like, it's sweet, but you also get a lot of bitter aftertaste. I mean, if you like the taste of herbal medicine, maybe you'd like this. Honestly though, I don't know if this makes me feel any better. Maybe if it was for hangovers, then it would kind of like jolt you back to reality type of thing. As a digestif, then I don't know, because it's also kind of bubbly, so it almost makes you feel even more full. And the taste is just so unpleasant, so it almost makes me want to eat something else just to get the taste out of my mouth. I'm very curious who actually likes drinking this, and if they drink it on a regular basis. You know what, I'm gonna mess with the ratios a bit. I kind of want to just have a tiny bit of this and a lot more of the ginger beer. Maybe it'll taste better. Like, if this was mostly just ginger beer, it's basically just ginger ale with a bit of herbs, right? So maybe it'd be easier to drink. Let's try this one. Cheers! For the amount of Fernet Branca that I actually put in here, it's still quite strong. Now it tastes like ginger beer with a hint of ginseng or something. I heard that you can also use ginger ale instead of ginger beer, so if you have that instead, you can try mixing that. And let me know if it actually works, because I don't know, I just don't think I would ever choose to drink this. And I'm curious if it at least works, so that even though it doesn't taste good, maybe it works. Yeah, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and let me know if you're a fan of Fernet Branca. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below, and like and subscribe for some more awesome remedies. And until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!